Let us talk about construction loans, how they work, requirements, and even how to build with little or no money. Number one question is, what is the best way to finance new home construction in Nigeria? There are three main ways to finance home construction. Number one is personal savings. This is the most straightforward and interest free. Secondly is construction loans offered by commercial banks, mortgage institutions like Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria, FMBN, and a few microfinance institutions. And number three is cooperatives or housing scheme. Many Nigeria in the diaspora or civil servants use this method to pool funds. Our best choice is to combine savings plus loan and work in stages. Another question people often ask is, how do you get